Okay, so we have successfully executed the VPN server on our Ubuntu instance, and now we will be creating the client. So client, as we have already downloaded all such files, so the modifications that was required, the certificate, so I have added that certificate into the client.ovpm file. So now you can see the change that we have made it. So let me come into the root mode. Now we can just go to this file nano client.ovpm, and if you can see, earlier we have added the keys but the certificate was missed out. So now the certificate is also added properly. This is what the certificate, and the certificate informations that we have kept it while we are creating the server in a client key. So all the informations are here, and it is encrypted with the RSA algorithm with 2048 bits. And this is what the public key, and similarly we will have the private key informations. So this is what our private key, and again we have repeated the same information, so it is double time copied. Now I can go out of this and let's connect with the server. So open VPN, then we have to just call this file, because this file just give the authentication requirements to the server. And now if you can see, we have made successfully the connection with the server. So now I can show you whether the client machine gets tunnel adapter or not. So if you can see, the client machine gets the tunnel adapter with an IP address 10.8.0.6. So we can even ping this and check whether we are able to communicate with this particular adapter or not. So you can see we are able to establish a connection with the client adapter successfully. So this particular tunnel connection you can utilize for doing a data transmissions, for remote access of your confidential files, or if you wanted to utilize for IoT applications, or for business purpose where you want to transfer the confidential data. This VPN connections can help you out. Only the thing is involved in this, lot of configuration files. So all of the files which is required to configure I have given you in the detailed form, so you can just go through with